Welcome to Njenje Media Channel. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. A new Nigerian airline is coming on board, and this time around, just like Air Peace, this is also being owned by an Anambra State indigene. The name is United Nigerian Airline. He is a man from Anambra State by name Dr. Obiora Okonkwo, precisely from Ogidi. This man is a businessman par excellence. He has been in various businesses in Abuja. Just a brief profile of Obiora Okonkwo. Obiora Okonkwo, PhD, is a high chief and holds a doctorate degree of philosophy in political science with distinction from the University Academy of Science, Institute of World Economy and International Relations, Moscow. He is also a fellow of the Institute of Chartered Arbiter and Mediation of Nigeria. He earned a People's Friendship University, Moscow. Okonkwo, as you all know, has a social, cultural, or rather, Okonkwo is an engaging public intellectual who, in December 2019, delivered the lecture or the lead lecture titled Ndibo in Contemporary Nigeria, a social, cultural, political, and economic reflection at the Umunri Colloquium at Enugu Ukwu. This guy had once contested the governorship of Anambra State under PDP. The primaries he couldn't win. In the last election, he contested the ticket of PDP with Uche Ekwunife. Again, he has been in the business in various businesses includes hotelier businesses. Now, one thing that have actually made people to wonder is the name of that airline. The online, or rather the internet, has been agog since the news filtered in about the plans to fly from America direct to Nigeria with his new airline, as you can see in the pictures here. The issue now is that so many Biafrans have been calling him names, saying that why would he use such name, United Nigeria? Then people are asking, what is United about Nigeria? What is United about Nigeria? The name, many people do not like that name, and many people have actually argued that that name is just for business purposes, as long as he creates jobs for the Southeasterners, he can use any name he likes. Even the IPOP people or the Biafran agitators who have been calling him names, there are counter-arguments to their argument that if he ever tries to use anything with Biafra, that means that business is already dead on arrival. Now, knowing that he is an Igbo businessman, it makes sense for him to use that name that he has chosen. What it means is, on the international scene, because he says United Nigeria Airline. Now, one would think he's copying United Airline in America. Now, he would probably want people to think that United Nigerian Airline is the Nigerian official carrier, and maybe deceive people to believe that that is the Nigerian official carrier for people to patronize him. Be that as it may, this man must be commended. He is a high chief from Anambra State. A high chief from Anambra State. He is precisely from Ogidi. Dr. Okonkwo, as he is fondly called, is a knight of the order of King Leopold, the highest national honor bestowed on foreign nationals by the King of Belgium, and holds the traditional title of Mboba Anafolumbolo no Oba by all traditional rulers of Anambra Central, Senatorial District, Dikora, Idemmili, Iwele Ogidi, Iwele, Ugebe Igbo, Ekenuelu Dike, and Ugo Bueze. These are all the titles that the people of Anambra State has already given him. He also, in November 2019, was honored by all traditional rulers in Anambra State, Senatorial District, as Ibubondi Igbo, and by all traditional rule of Anambra South Senatorial District as Ebubemba. High Chief Obiora Okonkwo is the new owner and the CEO of the new airline, with Enugu Airport being completed Let us hope that this airline will fly direct to Enugu. Once more, this is Njenje Media Channel. Subscribe to the channel.